Everyone, this is Kimo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa na ito reaction video. Ang Barda compilation, hindi tayo titigil, ma'am. Charis! So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ano to? Hala, ang gwapo ng Ginoon. Ang pa-baby. Pa-baby na naman si Ginoon nyo. Nagpapa-baby na naman talaga siya, ma'am. So saan dalahin tayo nito? Baby talaga siya. I mean, hello. Chucks. Ay, oo. Baby siya dyan. Baby siya dyan, ma'am.
Leveling up naman ang
Ay,
excitement
ano to?
ni Alden sa gagawin niyang Kapuso medical drama series na
Medical
Cold Grey.
drama? Cold
Ayon
Grey?
sa Kapuso star, dibdiban ang preparasyon niya para sa kanyang first time na pagganap bilang isang surgeon.
Ay,
Nod-nod na rin tayo ng mga different series with that type of genre. I
Oo.
asked for a one-on-one training with an actual surgeon and hopefully with
Grey's Anatomy,
permission,
mga ganon.
sit in ako sa isang actual surgery. Kailangan kong makita siya first hand. Ano ba yung nangyayari? Ano yung mood? Ano yung pakiramdam? Ano yung atmosphere in a surgery room?
oo. Tama mo naman. Ay, hello.
Kapag in love ka,
David ikaw ko. Okay.
hindi yan doon.
Okay.
Pinag-ahandaan ni David ngayon kasama ang kanyang basketball teammates from Sparkle GMA Artists Center ang pagtatapat ng ABS-CBN at GMA Celebrities sa gaganaping bida sa Arena Celebrity Basketball Tournament.
Okay.
Kabilang sa teammates ni David ang BFF na si Dustin Yu, sina Raver Cruz, Mavi Legaspi, Andre Paraz, Kim
Kim
Sontan,
Sontan,
Will
gwapo ni Pinson.
Ashley at iba pa.
Ako
Gwapo ni
pangarap ko
Pinson.
na,
Ay, hello.
na makalaban yung kabila eh. Di ba?
Ay,
Kasi,
talaga? Naku,
wala lang,
Ginoo,
to
malakas
represent
sila.
GMA, di ba? So for
Pero
us
Ginoo,
na mga
malakas sila. Sa
taga-Sparkle
mga
from
ola,
GMA, gusto
malakas
namin,
sila. Ang all-star.
Pakita na magagaling din yung mga Sparkle
Ay,
basketball.
of course! Ay, hello, megastar. Hands up, Gabriela. Gabriela, hands up, Gabriela, la. Okay.
Is it running or cycling?
Mas cycling talaga ngayon. Kasi I actually started running. Yun yung first endurance sports na nakahiligan kong gawin. Actually, mga 2 years ago, ako nag-start with my running journey. But since na naging involved ako sa mundo ng sports, gusto ko na rin subukan yung different kinds of sports na meron tayo dito sa Philippines. And right now, yung cycling, I never knew that I would really fall in love with it. Kasi more than it being...
Si Alden pala
whatever I
ito. Ay, hello. Ladies and gentlemen. Ay, the awkward moment. Charing! Tingnan natin yung mga repost si Charisse. Ay, ito.
with Prime. And,
Siya ko na share excitement.
First of all, simula sa gitna. And
Ang ganda ni
they
Barbie.
always champion the Filipino stories. I'm very much excited to be part of Honor Thy Mother. And also, it is a collaboration between three industry giants, Prime, ABS-CBN, and GMA.
Exactly.
Super excited.
That was brought up during the panel discussion. Thank you for bringing that up again. John!
Yeah, hi, good afternoon to everyone. I'm excited because
John.
Honor Thy Mother will revolve around mother-daughter relationship, family, and sacrifice, of course.
Thank you. And Barbie?
Barbie.
Wow, here we go. Are you excited to
Wow.
work with each other
Ay,
as
napawaw
well?
pala talaga sila. Napawaw pala talaga. Ay, bakit naman?
Actually, ang daming young artists ng GMA Settlement.
Oo.
Ang lagi kong nakikita, for some reason sa social social gathering, si Barbie.
Si
Tapos
Barbie.
we would end up talking to each other. We really enjoyed each other's company every time. Kaya nung nalaman ko siya, and this happened. Yes, and of course it's my, do I go ahead and I continue? It's my second project with Prime. So very happy
second project with Prime.
with Saving Grace, Dreamscape and ABS-CBN Saving Grace. And now I'm very pleased because I think it's the first collaboration between our mother studios, ABS-CBN, and of course GMA7. So it's like two families coming together and brought under one roof by Prime. So we're very proud, very honored.
And of course, what an opportunity.
I'm very
Okay.
honored and I'm honored that it's to honor thy mother. Yes, that's right.
Daming honor po.
Daming honor.
Honored po.
Alam mo, parang mag-ina sila, magkamukha sila, yung dito nila, oh. Magkamukha sila, ma'am.
Grabe, big
I know.
companies coming together for this massive, or some might call it mega project.
Mega projects.
Hindi ba? It's a mega family drama, and this is my first time working with Dreamscape. Oh my gosh.
You're the best.
Yeah, oh my gosh. An ABS-CBN TV production in collaboration with my home network, GMA, in partnership with Prime Video. So grabe, lalaking kumpanya nagsama-sama para sa proyektong ito to give you this very great project. And gusto ko rin po magpasalamat dahil my film P77 was able to reach a much wider audience. Yes, Miss Nessa! Jeremy Pictures!
Miss Nessa.
Thank you po, thank you po.
Malakas din kasi ang GMA Pictures, eh.
Audience dahil sa Prime Video. So maraming salamat po. I'm really excited.
And we can see the excitement radiating off all of you. So we wish you the best. We look forward to what is to come
Okay.
with collaboration.
Ibig kitang
Ay!
pakasalan.
Ibig kitang pakasalan.
Kasalaga?
Gusto ko to. Gusto ko talaga to.
Samantalang dati, kulang na lang magsakalan tayong dalawa.
Ay, ba't hindi naman magsakala na lang?
Totoo yan. At hindi rin naman kita ibig dati sapagkat ikaw ay nakakayamot na babae.
Ay, nakakayamot? Bakit naman nakakayamot?
Kinagulat ko na lamang na isang araw na napagtanto ko na
Na ano?
na binihag mo na ang aking puso, binibini.
Ay,
Ba't bakit ka galit sa akin?
eh ba't parang tumaba
Bakit ako
talaga tayo
gumagalit
for
sa'yo?
today's video?
Ngayon
Hindi ba
tila,
ito naman? Tumanda ka sa akin
Tila
sa sarili,
ayaw mo sa
tatanggalin kita, gugutumin natin yung sarili natin.
hindi mo ba napagtatanto, binibini?
Hindi.
Na
Kasi mahal na
napakapalad mo
mahal
na
ka
iniibig
niya.
kita.
Ay, wow! Wow!
Kung
Parang
ibang
totoo
babae
na
ang
yan.
aking
Parang totoo na
sinuno,
yung atake niya dyan.
malamang ay magpapakasalaga yun sa akin.
Hoy, Fidel.
Oh my God, namimiss ko ng Maria Clara at Ibarra na
Hiniling ko
core.
ba na umibig ka sa akin? Ang utang na loob ko pa sa'yo? Hello, hindi ako masisilaw sa yaman at stature mo sa buhay. Dahil
Ay.
daig mo pa ang pamaypay sa pagiging mahangin. Diyos ko, men, ang taas sa ego mo, kasing height mo. Ngayon, kung gusto mo ng babaeng easy to get at gusto magpakasal agad sa'yo, eh, di go.
Ay,
Filingero ka eh.
okay. I understand. Anyways, so this is all for today's video. This is Kenyo Vlogs. I see you on the next vlog. Bye.